Hello again, you came back. Okay, so in the last video we introduced histograms. Remember they looked like this? In this video we're going to make histograms. Okay, so I have some pretend data. We'll pretend it's the number of text messages per day. That was a good waste of 5 seconds. Okay, the first thing I'm going to do, so I have all these answers. It's just a bunch of numbers. I was just typing stuff. I gathered data. Yes, I gathered data. The first thing I'm going to do is I always sort my stuff first. So I'm going to select all of them. Because see, they're not in like numerical order or anything. I'm going to go over to data. I'm going to put sort range, or I'm just going to come up here. Sort range column B, A to Z. So that means from low to small. From low to high, small to large. I'm going to do that. Okay, so now I have it sorted. So I automatically notice that I have a ton in the 20 range, I have a ton in the 30 range, and then I have some, I don't have any in the 40s, and I skip up here. So probably what I want to do is maybe do it from, like I'm trying to decide what kind of buckets I want, right? So I'm going to say, so buckets. I want from 0 to 20. I want 21 to 40, and then 41 to 60. And then 61 to 80. I'm going to have 4 buckets. Okay, so the way we do this, so I have this data. This is what I want to put in a histogram. So I can go up here. I think I highlight it first. I'm going to go ahead and highlight it just in case. It's been a while since I did this. Uh-oh. This 86 is out of my range. Okay, wait. I'm going to do 61 to 88. Or 61 to 90, we'll do that. And the reason is I have my larger number was outside of my buckets. I need my buckets to include everything, right? Or I could do 61 to 80, and then I could have a 5th bucket that was 80 plus. So that's over 80. Okay, so now that'll fit my data. Okay, so I want to come in here, and I want to highlight my data. The next thing I want to do, pretty sure it was on insert. Ooh, insert chart. So I'm going to go to insert. I want a chart, and it's going to tell me what kind of chart I can have. So first I'm going to select that. And then it's going to take a minute. Yay. Okay. Chart type. So I want a histogram. See, it's right here. So you have, that's within the suggested. But if it weren't in my suggested, I could always arrow down here into this other box and you have histogram. But notice you have all kind of things you can do with stuff. You can put it on maps, you can put it in big circles, but what we're doing is histogram. So I want that. So now, so let's see. I can move these. Go that way. Okay, so it kind of automatically divided it into buckets. I think I can change that bucket size. Let's see. Again, it's been a while since I did this. Okay, edit chart. So data range, so that's my little selected values. Series, and I think customize. Oh, chart and axis titles. That's probably it. Oh no, that's titles. Okay, so you'd have to play around with this. I'm pretty sure that you can change this. Let's see. It may just automatically. Okay. Well, I like this actually. I don't totally have to change it. So this goes from 72 to 90, but basically what it did is it took these and it divided it into 5 equally spaced things, which is actually better. It's actually kind of what you want to do. Because we don't really need it to go to 200 if your data only goes to 86. So taking it to 90 is good. So then what I would do is maybe over here, you don't really need to list out your buckets, but you could. So what I would probably do is I would go, okay, well, this one goes from 0 to 18. This one goes from 19 to 36. This one goes from 37 to 54. And I'm not counting. I'm reading this off here, right? So 54, 72, 90. I'm just taking one up. So if I stopped at 54, my next one's going to be 55. 52,